In Socket, pricing menus are the engine behind your proposals. They allow you to manage your services and rates in a structured way, ensuring that you always have the most up-to-date pricing. To access your pricing menu, choose the Services and Pricing option on the left-hand menu. In Socket, you can only have one pricing menu active at any given time. This ensures that everyone is always working from the same pricing structure and there's no confusion over which one. However, our system does allow you to prepare future price changes, allowing you to have an active pricing menu as well as one with an effective start date in the future. In this example, you can see I have two active pricing menus. One of them is effective from now in February 2026, and the other one is set to start in May 2026. This system maintains only having one active pricing menu at any one time. Editing pricing. Once a pricing menu is published, you can't edit the pricing. If you did want to edit pricing, choosing the three dots menu next to your current active pricing menu, and then select Edit Pricing. This then creates a draft of your current pricing menu that you can edit. When you publish this, it will replace the existing active pricing menu. If you wanted to create a brand new pricing menu, choosing the Create New Pricing option in the top right allows you to create a brand new pricing menu. When clicked, you have a few different options. If you're coming over from GoProposal, you can import your pricing matrix from the PDF you export from GoProposal. Starting from scratch just allows you to start with a blank template from the beginning. Using sample data allows you to just jump start with our pre-built template, which you can then edit and tweak to your requirements. And copying an existing menu allows you to clone an existing pricing menu to make quick adjustments. If, like this example, you have a pricing menu with a start date in the future, when creating a proposal, if your new pricing menu is set to be effective from May 1st, any proposal with a start date in May or onwards will use the new rates. If you select a proposal start date in, let's say, April, the proposal will use your existing pricing menu. From the main pricing menu screen, using the three dots icon next to any pricing menu gives you a number of different options. This will allow you to edit details, edit pricing, which we looked at earlier, creating a draft of the current menu, and also doing bulk adjustments. So if you wanted to do a 2% increase for an annual price increase, you could do this very quickly there. It also allows you to adjust any billing settings, service schedules that are linked with the current services on your pricing menu, and you can also download your pricing menu for external review. A couple of tips. If you have an upcoming price rise sometime in the year, publish it with an effective from date. This allows Socket to automatically switch to new rates on that day or use new pricing for a proposal starting afterwards. Always use copy or edit pricing functions rather than starting from scratch if you only need to change a few rates. This ensures that your service names, mappings, and everything remains consistent and you're not overwriting your full pricing menu with a brand new menu.